How to create Netflix account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Netflix application on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap the link at the bottom to go to the Netflix website as shown. A pop-up will appear notifying you that you're leaving the app. Tap on Continue to proceed to your web browser. On the Netflix page, tap on Create a Netflix account. You will be prompted to enter your email address to begin. After entering your email, tap on Next. Then, you need to set up the Netflix account. Tap on Send Link so that Netflix can send you a link, and then tap on Create Password instead. To create a secure password for your new account, add a password and tap Next again to continue with the setup process. Now, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. Review the different options available, such as Mobile, Standard, and Premium. Each plan offers different features and pricing. Select the one that best suits your needs and tap Next as shown to move to the final step. Finally, you need to set up your payment method. Select your preferred payment option, such as a credit or debit card. Enter your payment details into the required fields, like your card number, card name, etc., and agree to the terms and conditions to complete the registration process and successfully start your Netflix membership by tapping Start Membership. Following these steps, you can easily create a Netflix account on an iPhone.